Who doesn't love a bomb-ass curly hairstyle, especially in the summertime? Well, let me show you how I achieved this flipped over quick weave method using curly hair from Amazon. Yes, it was quick and easy. As you can see, I am parting out my leave out. I'm using the end of the rat tail comb to make sure you cannot see it. If you cannot see the end of that comb, then you cannot see my bundles. You are going to braid your hair. I do any type of braids because I'm using curly hair, so it really doesn't matter. Everything that I'm using in this video you can get from the beauty supply store. It is not expensive. This hairstyle is quick and easy. It can be done in about an hour and a half, probably less than that. Follow all these steps and you will get to achieve the same outcome that I have gotten. I love this. I will be doing quick weaves all summer to let my hair get some rest. And plus, it's hot as hell in Atlanta, 90-something degrees. A wash and blow is not going to work for me right now, so I will be doing quick weaves all summer long. And I'm about to get back into doing YouTube videos, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you're on the lookout when I make new videos, because I'm going to be trying out different type of quick weave methods. My next one is going to be the side part quick weave, so yeah, stay tuned for that. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if you tried this quick weave and how was your outcome. But yeah, like I said, it's quick and easy and it doesn't take that much time. And curly hair, like, who doesn't love curly hair? And the blend is crazy, like, yeah. So make sure you watch this video and yeah, stay tuned.
Wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Until you reach my feet, baby, baby, baby. Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby